Okay, here's kind of the gist for part 4. Okay, so we have our base equation. Okay, we have our base equation. It's on freeze. How about now? There we go. Okay, so we got our base equation, moles over liters. Everybody's with me? 5 minutes. Okay, and then we'll wrap up with the rally coach. Okay, so here's the base equation. We're just going to do some algebra to solve for the variable that we want to. Okay, so now the question asks this: if you have 0.56 liters, so I got liters, okay, and 2.5 big M there, how many moles? That's what I want to find. How many moles? Okay, how many moles is there? So we are solving for moles. Okay, that's the question asked. We're not solving for big M anymore. So when I plug in what I'm given, 2.5 big M is equal to moles is what we want to solve for over 0.56 liters. All right, so now we're not solving for big anymore. We're putting the variables in there and we are rearranging the equation to get us to the point where we can say, let's solve for this. So now, let me just kind of rewrite this like you were in math class in algebra. 2.5 is equal to x over 0.56. If cute little Mr. Walls, the math algebra teacher, said solve this problem, what would you do? Cross multiply, right? So you would cross multiply. So you're either going to cross multiply, okay, to get what you need to, right? So we're going to cross multiply. So it'll be 2.5 times 0.56 is equal to x, which is moles, right? 2.5 times 0.56 and mole x is 1.4 moles. Okay? So all we're doing is cross multiplying. Okay? At some steps you will need to cross multiply and then divide, right? I mean, that's you guys have been doing that in algebra for a long time. All right, so let's do this again. If I have 212 milliliters of a 2.5 big M, okay, how many moles is it? All right, so I have 212. So if I divide by 1,000, it's 0.212 liters, right? Okay, so now I do my algebra. 2.5 over 1 is equal to x over 0.212. 2.5 times 0.212, cross multiply, right? So 2.5 times 0.212 is equal to x. X is 0.5. Okay? If it's milliliters, you got to get to liters, right? So divide by 1,000. Great question. Okay? So cross multiply. If you're solving for liters, there's a problem with your enrichment. This one here, make it of this, everybody. Enrichment, this one. Part 4. Okay, it says how many liters? How many liters? Okay, for this one, you will cross multiply then divide. Okay, for this one, you're going to cross multiply, just cross multiply. For this one, you're just going to cross multiply. I'll leave this up there so you don't have to write it down. All right, so you cross multiply and then divide. Solve for that, and then you cross multiply. Okay, so for these 3 problems, that is it. Part 4. Okay, wrap that up. When we have, I don't know, if we can do that in 10 minutes, and we'll wrap it up with the rally coach. Sound good? Yay? Let's go. Let's walk around and help you do the algebra. Good.